In this video, I will show you how to use Beacons.ai for affiliate marketing. To do this, first just go to the Beacons.ai website and create your account. I will also leave a link down in the description where you can get started for free. Now from there, what you can do is in the left menu, go to affiliate products. So this is a really cool feature that Beacons.ai introduced, where they partner with a lot of different brands and actually pretty large brands. You can see some of them: Rimowa, HelloFresh, Carhartt, Nike, Disney, and much more. And if one of those kind of fits your audience, you can apply to work with them and promote their products in return for commissions. So first, how much commission you can earn. It kind of depends on the brand you apply to, but usually it will be a few percent. Then what is the Beacons affiliate program? Basically, it allows creators to generate affiliate links for partner brands. So if you want to use this, click apply, and you will need to have some kind of an audience. So just connect the social accounts that you have, for example YouTube, and then click connect. For example, I'll connect it to my YouTube channel, and from there it will then get the data such as how many views you're getting and where your audience is from and stuff like that. Then after one of your accounts has connected, you can then click on apply, and then it will say you're on the list. So they are rolling out access soon. Keep an eye on your inbox and you'll be the first to know. Now you can already see some of the brands, so Sephora, Bose, Acer. They have a lot of different brands, and most likely there will be a brand that kind of matches your audience. So essentially, when you have been accepted, what you want to do is go to browse brands and find a brand that matches with your audience. So then you can apply to that brand, tell them why you would be a good fit. Then they can either accept or deny your application. If they accept it, you can get your affiliate link, or even better, what you can do is then add onto your link in bio and website, you can add a blog for your affiliate marketing. So under monetize, you can go to products, and then affiliate products, you can click add. And then here, if you are part of an affiliate program, you can then add that product and people can order it directly through your link in bio page, and you will then get a commission, for example a Stanley Cup. If you feature that in a TikTok, for example, and you will have the link in bio with that same product, you could say you can buy it through my link in bio. Then if through your link in bio they see the product, click on it and then purchase it, you will then get the commission. So that's basically how affiliate marketing through Beacons works. It's pretty simple. First, just apply to the sort of marketplace. After you get accepted, apply to a brand, and if they then accept you, then you can add those products to your link in bio. So now you know how to use Beacons.ai for affiliate marketing. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.